So I'm social distancing during this crisis because I've got respiratory problems, and even if I were to get it and it's not lethal and turns out to be just the flu, I had the flu last year and it ate 2 weeks of my life and 2 months before the cough went away. You can probably hear some of my throat problems. Just like I eat gravel for breakfast. So I'm using this time to catch up on old projects that have gotten away from me, and I thought I'd present them as shop tips / isolation vlogs every few days. Partly so you know I'm still alive, and partly because I can edit a shop tip or a short sketch in a few hours as opposed to a tutorial that takes a full 40-hour work week. So today I'm repainting the battle droid. Actually I did it over a couple of days so it wouldn't stick to the drop cloth when I flipped it. Painting something large like this, it's easier if you hang it vertically, because then you can hit every angle simultaneously, which I did do to paint the head, but I didn't do that on the body because it's just a very difficult shot to get. When I built it, I made it out of beige EVA foam to save money on paint. It would have been 4 cans of Plastidip, 1 a white primer if I couldn't have found white, and 2 a beige. I did, however, weather it with dark brown because the comedy sketch I used it in took place in the Geonosis arena, and my recollection was that the droids had a lot of weathering on them. I think they actually had like this maroon paint job, but just a clean battle droid would have looked weird. But during the shoot, I was using this one droid to represent all of the droids that get destroyed, and I did multiple takes of every single droid death. So over time, it got damaged and hastily glued back together to meet the shoot deadline. So I just kept covering up the shoddy repairs with weathering, and now it's more weathering than droid. So I'm repainting it beige to get it back to minimalist weathering. The idea is that the darker brown underneath will show through just a little bit, and being that my life is a Mobius strip, I'm noticing that the cleaner paint job is revealing a lot of the damage that I originally meant to cover up. So that'll need to be repaired properly and then touched up with just a tiny bit more paint, like little spritzes later. But the plus side is the next time I need this to be in perfect shape, it'll take like 20 minutes of repair work and overnight dry time to be ready, as opposed to a week. Okay, so that was my first isolation vlog. Look out for the next one, as well as the next tutorial. Also the last tutorial. I think nobody's checking their subscription feed. Nah, I know it is, because everyone's subscribed to these comedy networks that do a dozen uploads a day. I don't blame them. I'm subscribed too. But yeah, no, if you missed that, check it out. A lot of people ask me for it. It's like, really? Did any of them watch? Let me know if you like this shop tip / vlog concept in comments below. And stay safe, wash your hands, stay indoors, maybe build something.